Tapasya or meditation, Prime Minister Narendra Modi penned a heartfelt letter as he shared his sankalp from sadhana and also shared his Viksit Bharat 2047 vision. Where after concluding as far as his 45-hour-long meditation break in Kanyakumari at the Vivekanand Rock Memorial, Pragya is with us right now. Pragya, his vision for Viksit Bharat, he's also taking on pessimists, saying that there is a need to free the society from these pessimists and that freedom from negativity is the first step forward when it comes to success.
Absolutely, and these thoughts have been penned by Prime Minister Amita at a time when he was away after the campaigning, hectic campaigning, I would say. He was the star campaigner of BJP, and he also writes this in this Sankalp Patra, saying that all the cacophony, all the voices, counter-attacks, attacks that clogged his mind, and to be focused on what Bharat's vision should be, on what a nation should be, he need to go into the meditation, and he in fact did that. He also spoke about, he started his journey, in fact, campaign of Lok Sabha 2020 from Meerut, from where first war of independence of the freedom of the country started in Meerut. And he also spoke about Vivekananda's journey and his message, where he said that every nation has a mission to fulfill, has a message to the world, and also has a destiny to fulfill. And this is exactly what Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke about in this Sankalp Patra that he has written. He spoke about the pro-governance model that has been given, and also the stature of Bharat and how historic the event should be and is right now, when all the countries are in fact looking at India and also seeking inspiration from Bharat, including the recently culminated G20 meeting and also the COVID call, when we provided in fact medicines and vaccination to the world. So everyone's eyes is right now is on Bharat, and they are seeking inspiration and guidance from the country, and that is why this is a very historic moment. And in fact, this is the time when Bharat should prepare for a plan and also should lead the world. And in fact, he had spoken about the vision of Bharat, saying that we have to plan for 25 years ahead, and not just 25 years. There are thousands of centuries that we need to plan ahead, and we need to ensure that the vision of Ma Bharati that was seen by Swami Vivekanand, that should fulfill in the implementation. And I think that is the inspiration that he'll get right now, when he said that I have prepared a plan for 125 days, but then soon it will be for 25 years as well. And a vision of Viksit Bharat will be implemented in the policies of the government, and the beginning of it will start after 4th June, when the results will come. Prime Minister is very positive, and he speaks about the negativity that is in the country, and he also speaks about the positive mindset that people should have in order to be happy, to be able to come out of their self-interest and to look at the success of the country, not in terms just of economic sense, but also in terms of the ideas that Bharat has been given to the world for many centuries. So this is the vision, and this is the personal thoughts, in fact, that have been planned by the Prime Minister, where he also spoke about Thiruvalluvar, and he also spoke about the Tamil culture and pride. He has always been saying that
Bharat, that had undergone significant change in the last 10 years, is something that has been penned by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in that heartfelt letter, where he talks about the Sankalp through his sadhana after that 45-hour-long meditation, or that spiritual journey that he undertook at the Vivekanand Rock Memorial. Pragya, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in.